Wagwan family, welcome back to my channel. If you are brand new here, welcome. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below. Remember to share this video with a friend and to leave your thoughts in the comment section. Alright, so today I'm going to be doing a high ponytail, and I am first starting off by moisturizing my hair using a leave-in conditioning repair cream. It's from Cantu, and I usually add oil to my hair to seal in the moisture once I moisturize, but because I'm going to be using an oil-based product in my hair, I decided to leave that part out because I mean that's still oil, so it's going to seal in the moisture just the same. Alright, so I'm sectioning the front part off. As usual, I like to section my hair a lot, and the front part is going to be the base for my ponytail. As for the back section, I'm just going to be making some twists, and today I am going to be using the jam. It's a holding jam, and the one I'm using today is going to, I think it's a super hold or something like that. I'll leave the items in the description box down below, so if you want to see the products that I've used, just look for them down below. Yeah, so I'm just going to be making some twists at the back. It would have been much easier to just put it into a single ponytail and be over with, but I didn't want it to be too plain, so I added some twists to the back section. My experience with the holding jam, well, I've used jam before, and I've used hair wax as well, but I wasn't totally dependent. That's the jam I'm using today. I wasn't totally dependent on it for hold or anything like that. I maybe just used it for a little bit of sheen. I was actually depending on the hold this time around. However, for my hair type, it did not hold. It definitely has a sheen, have no objections with that, but in terms of the hold, it didn't give me the hold I'm looking for, and that's the reason why I always like to use Eco Styling Gel. It never failed me when it comes to hold, and it's lightweight and it dries easily. I don't have issues with Eco Styling Gel. I know a lot of people don't really like to use styling gel, maybe, so the jam is definitely another option. But from experience though, it didn't do much for me in terms of hold, but I still use it. It gives me more of a natural look when I'm done, which was okay, but it wasn't exactly what I was aiming for. But you know, not every time you do a hairstyle it is a success exactly the way you wanted it. Yeah, but it still turned out good. I still like the way it turned out just the same. So as you can see, I'm making opposite diagonal twists, and that's going to give it a kind of zigzag part when I'm done. So I'll end up with 4 twists at the back, and then I'll just get all of those to the front and join it with the front section there to create my ponytail. Alright, so you have to ensure that your hair is detangled, properly detangled, so that there are no, you know, puffs when you do your ponytail. And like I said, I did struggle a little bit. Yeah, I did struggle a little bit using this jam, but it's okay. It's okay. My hair ended up with its natural texture. It wasn't too straight, it wasn't too curly, it was its natural texture. It was as if it's in its natural form without adding anything. That's the end result I got, but it's fine. There's sheen, so I'm happy for that. Alright, so I am going to be using this hair. If you noticed, if you have watched the very first video I posted on YouTube, you would have seen how I created this ponytail. And so I am reusing it today. Yes, don't be afraid to recycle your hair. It makes no sense to spend money and buy a new one every time you're doing something when the old one can be used. As long as it is something that can be resurrected, go ahead and recycle your hair, honey. I have no problem doing that. It's affordable and it's convenient, and sometimes it's not even about the money. Sometimes it's what you have at hand readily available to do what you want to do at that present time. So whatever you have, let it work for you. Alright, so I wanted a big look. I wanted to be more like an afro puffy, less curly kind of look, but I wasn't achieving it with this hair, so I just trimmed it to whatever I'm satisfied with, and I'm just leaving it at that because I wasn't getting what I had hoped to achieve, but it still turned out good. So I'm just clipping away, and once I'm finished with clipping off the extra ends, then I'm going to attempt to lay my edges down using the same product. Alright, now if you wanted to use the jam to, like, you know, add the sheen and put your hair up in a ponytail, you could, and then maybe do a little bit of styling gel on your edges to get them more uniform or neater. That could be done. It looked cute when I just did it, but after a while it started to revert. Alright, so that's my final look. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It was quick, simple, nothing too hard, and it's a protective style. Alright, so remember to like, to comment, to share, and thank you so much guys for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one.